Ebushama mema akwaba enfa umbra Ghana TV GH mestra or sell like a comment subscribe then no notification so that every day I post a video biano or some kabe me da say. Yeah, Ebusham for ye trendy pa and I am say trendy. Now the reason for which I trending say my video bia in the video maker say Volta region I am ya marriage me igbeni wa wunji ndia ma meka igbe kakra e Volta vi menyo mecho amuganu to me. Aha, muganu to me mecho ho central. So I'm full 100% Voltarian. And I was saying in the video, say, with all the things Akuffo Addo, any NPP are buying, I hear our Volta region, I was expecting, say, at least, and yes, at least some 5 constituencies there. Now, NPP winning. And people came down there in the comments and say, Akuffo, then I'm here our Volta region, I'm here Volta region. And then, I'm taking me time, say, Mbabe, some of the things Akuffo Addo, our Volta region. Now, impact no so we are feeling it, pa. And start here. One of the biggest projects we of Volta region, I may say, I'm so proud of being an NPP person. US Phase 2. University of Health and Allied Sciences, US. I'm a graduate of US. Yeah. And the US Asema, it is dear to my heart. Phase 2, no. School of Nursing and Midwifery, no. Akuffo Addo are buying NSC with a $60 million dollars facility from China. Yeah, Akuffo Addo are buying. Now, uko share modern lecture rooms pa. Now, you'll be shocked. Again, it was at Phase 2, mono. It was Central Laboratory, one of the biggest, if not the biggest, ever the whole Africa. Students use for learning theater rooms now. And then when we say NDC for US Phase 1, now administration count. Yeah, now administration count. And now a School of Basic and Biomedical Sciences campus, no buildings need be an idea and a moody administration. But because Akuffo Addo are buying a nipa hunte, when they built the Phase 2, they added administration block. And now call you as administration. That means say, university administration ye. Akuffo Addo for Volta region. Adakulu, the current minister of roads. FN Senkra. Oh, Nidi Kra escape me. Me kaya mebo. Current minister of road. Ni constituency. Akuffo Addo nedi insioko. Go and look for the video. Say the speech that the chiefs of Adakulu gave on that day, Akuffo Addo ever commissions our water project. That's what we call impact. Our water project, it costs 11.5 million euros. I have provided water to over 89,000 residents in over 95 communities. And as our water project, it benefits Agotimes Jofi, Central Town, any others. Okay? Now, pipelines are installing that project. Now, easy. Over 175 kilometers long of pipelines. So, only pipelines now, I see 175 kilometers long of pipelines. You know what we're talking about here. Keta Water Project. Government of Akuffo Addo initiated water supply project to improve water delivery in communities around Keta, Angogan, Huen, Tebi, Jita, and the rest. Now, major roads Akuffo Addo Volta region 22 kilometer dualization from Sokode to Ho. Mimi uses every day, almost every week. I go on that road. Asphalt. Dualization of the road. Nasa road nube kaya. There was a time ye man penny that na FN Jerry John Rollins and make appeal to Akuffo Addo say quite way de ye pawu chow be ye maye.
Mano ena wuche mu a wabre odru eye Sokode no mugina kakra en wo tu ani ede ehwe kwan no si enti from antem kwan pa na ye basa say ye amachese papaje ene enye asumkuma chese experience na konya yen from antem no amane ho adwini pa.
Why na ye miami party NDC for buy no omuntimi anye. Yeah, and Akuffo Addo headed to the core, and then a international standard road. Me fast today na me video. The people will ask, oh yes, what's a higher Volta? I say, yes, this is Volta region. And a Volta region, Hanso, so one district, one ambulance, they benefit here. Yeah. And the one facilities, I cost for region, Hano. I think about 5 or 8 of them. Almost all senior high schools in Volta region, they were building structures. Akuffo Addo, start here, dormitories, or Akuffo Addo, start here, we finish it. Volta region, agricultural support ni na Akuffo Addo ema nyina no enya bi wo Volta region, digitalization, transport transformation cameras send live feeds from here to Accra for the police to fight battle crime, and all those things were done in Volta region. Employment, name it, posting of nurses to communities that before Akuffo Addo did not even were hard to reach, and all those things. Medical drone make me Volta high benefit almost every single day. Whole teaching hospital. Now drone comes to deliver products. Sometimes blood, sometimes medication B, sometimes and the Volta region benefited. And I quite yo. Now ensayo. I got lost in the dualization from Have to Pando. That road tsunami use the power done by Akuffo Addo. Let me give you some of the roads. Have to Pando, Hohwe Township, and Peter Mewuko Hohwe. Now you feel was small London because everywhere asphalt Towe. Now ye Golokwati to Vli only say Vli. Waterfalls be what I think is the highest in the whole of West Africa, Vli waterfalls. But now a choir of the people fast to the Kohono, not easy. But because Akuffo Addo government thinks about tourism, and a choir every Asikuma, every Golokwati, Eko Blue, Evelino, Akuffo Addo about ye. Asikuma junction to whole road, or muye reselling was so. I can testify of that. Mekaipa, Frankie Dia to the Dome Road, Akuffo Addo, Estati. And several feeder roads of Volta region. And that is why I'm saying, Akuffo Addo really did well of Volta region. And Volta should have rewarded Akuffo Addo. But and yet too late. 2028, another election. With the kind of idea and the way the current NDC MPs don't care about the people, I'm sure Volta is going to treat NPP well in 2028.
He doesn't. Clearly, he doesn't. The delays will be worsened by the tribunal system, where you have 3 panel members. Baako yare kura noa. Sebi. Court no internase. Baako ni wa tribunal no internase. It will be worsened. 2. Tribunal system. Now you have 3 people.
Of course.
Obi e kasabi. Mewa judge no bekasa we bekasa until even the time for adjudication will be longer potentially mewa na until anyway no from the outset when we say it's a non-starter a big critical worst problem so if there is a backlog and I make kire wo no NPP for year be kono na you see over 100 courts buildings.
Has it been abandoned?
Yente the yenya update biya, but complete them. My more example. Can it between Kumasi and the Bekwai and your Boise na court to be any ho.
Okay.
Enti ye ma menom ne ye papa nom ne ye wofa nom ne ye nuanom a ewo Boise ne Bekwai nyina na omudo mu cases na aba Kumasi. Enti onya case a no atwa kwan anu aba Kumasi ti kane no ahwa ka bedru Kumasi court complex wono na nipa guo bebre
no correct
ene udru wa nipa guo bebre e che se attorney general kra no eniama ekoso kra onim so what I say so because ya besi court e wo Bekwai area ho eti ene instance nipa no bebe Kumasi no o Kumasi biu ene court wo Mampong high court wo Mampong so ene ye wo high court wo baby bebre akane na high court nye den anyhow enunti se efa infrastructure reduce the backlog of the cases no me pacho ene bebree ayedɛn asesa ɛtɔ so bio court to them no ɛna na me catch us say you be the case management system send a judge edi nasem ɛfa ɛho hia pa
okay
say judge ni nim kwa obefa so obe manage ni cases obe create 100 buildings and society yɛdɛn ɛma so enti ni nyina ka ho ana ɛma make us papa no onti system no ase what the system na ase kra na nko modin enka de all keka no me patch what ya say aha enti na de ewo mu no backlog no backlog do saying ye na ma backlog na ba
okay
eto da bi a lawyer bi kro file case anu abandon case no oni akiri because we are the open when you awie ntu badwin say backlog so what I say ebi o ho nso a sebe ti say dem kan computer them a sequel to them are they recording very obsolete very very obsolete when was the last time you called to them computers go crisis when was the last time what I say some of the microphones they say picking idea some of them are even broken inti you were very big problem and yes solution a tribunal no a worst system worst of the worst very expensive a needless expensive cost na bind dey be Ghana for kon and na generate sika bia so ma Ghana mine but the current system no all reform me nanka support to businesses in the economy and no mumbe boa in terms of revenue generation because businessmen no say when you quick turn around boa the productivity no there
no correct
so it mean just say minim do so almost ada ye no minim
anyway
do so almost ada ye no
anyway Billy or my proposal about let's see how it goes say about what we actually mobile atuma and say munyin tum but whichever way they have the numbers so they always have their way anyway matter 45 minutes past it therefore many the member of parliament for a year Menshia South Honorable Nana Ej Bafo Ewa and na aiding common Mijano Kwana Yatwa. So I think this conversation had just begun and right now Attorney General War Parliament or Gusudin Komo. But in fact, if this is how it's going to go there, it's going to embed the country with more costs. Why don't we rather invest in infrastructure? If NPP started 120 buildings yam fe any corner technology no koko TV ade emiamia so cry at this time and age anyway matter that's what media kwan na wakoba bit on them this enrad I think mrashebi fi na moji community service bill no a bit on it na
community service bill
it's a good bill
a good bill because ebeboa makane
Abusia, this useless NDC government akwa bubu masalachi ewo East Legon around American House na asem no esre ba asefem utie deputy chief imam owo sa masalachi ho no ma orebe ho and apparently omo amomu notice bia omo ho ne omo betia ne se akwa akosesa machines akesi aba bisi wo a yedi bubu masalachi ne nantie deputy chief imam no uwi abra ne yankanya asem nkire NDC aban any Muslims are almost supporting NDC
because some masalati so na so we say o ma me note o ma me share into before we bugu masalati no e bia na wa jeme nkwa firi nsem e say bugu masalati no sa wonye ne nkwa firi nsem pa dia masalati de untimi ntoche no ana say there was or directing on the speed no de ba no some machine I was speed change pa into before ye ntumi ka medu am no wadi ka wuro mu first one second one no wura no ana rushing no ana papa na ka say on to machine no into already we dey ka the machine jani o I would the machine running. Yes. I would the machine that over perform the papa and you're rushing it. To me, that also would be like
Abusia, as I'm an asifimu before see a becon semuno. Minim say NDC form Muslim say danyam or mobile defenders and semunui. But me person remind you when you Quran ne kafa obi a ye Muslim would defend the anamuntua eka Muslim som ne hye obi a otu Muslim som no eso sa enti yenhwe eye Quran no ne eka ewo Quran 5 verse 2 or say cooperate with one another in righteousness and do not cooperate in sin and aggression and fear Allah. Indeed, Allah is severe in punishment. And we a Muslim, Quran can say, cooperate with people in righteousness. And this year, by Nanamoa Utua, a year righteous and a cooperate with. But aggression and sin. Say ye bubu masalachi, say ye bubu mosque, a young country chief imam, and I say, young country imam or hodom. Do not cooperate with them. Do not support such acts. Since I was supporting such act, who say Allah is severe in punishment. Until we a Muslim na sang pasiasim we also so. Quran can say Allah is severe in punishment. You will never go unpunished. Allah will bring his severe punishment upon you. We a Muslim now supporting sang pasiasim we ya. And then ya non kwa mutie we Quran 5 verse 135 or say, all you who believe, stand firmly for just as witnesses for Allah, even if it's against yourselves, your parents, or your relative. Until we a Muslim man, Quran Esha will say, Adia eye righteous, adia eye papa eye krojin, boni bi ani ho, anagina ho, support it. Even if say adia na wo support na against one kasa, yourself, against one kasa, or parents, and answer or relative, or political party. And the men can say, me NDC ni, the NDC, to an amombia. Eka Muslims so many share. Quran condemn but me NDC ni inti me support it. And you see who person who say anamona NDC abenye to so makobubu masalachi. Quran ne condemn me. Go and read Quran no chapter 2 verse 114. Or say, and who is more unjust than one who prevents Allah's name from being mentioned in his mosque and strives for their destruction? Such people have no right to enter them except in fear. For them is disgrace in this world, and they will suffer a tremendous punishment in the hereafter. Quran in chapter 2, verse 114. E condemn NDC abanye. You see, Muslims have been very loyal to NDC since 1992. Yako elections bia Muslims in Zongo communities etwa Ghana hia eto abama NDC massively. 2024 was no different. Ye presented Dr. Baumia or ye part of you or ye Muslim, a revered Muslim obia or brene ho ase onfa Muslim somni endiagro onfa eye Christo som endiagro against Mahama no, he has no morals. Mahama, he has no principles. Mahama or no, onfa Muslims, someone no shame. But Muslims need zongo communities. I share Dr. Baomi nim share alle nim ekoto abama Mahama. Ene mohuni ya Mahama ene na aban ede yemo. Yakwa kobubu masalachi. Without ya mamu notice bia. And you see, NDC aban no, they don't care about Muslims, so they don't care about the zongo communities. For the about 30 years, NDC for enya to me, edu omanga so. Go to the various Zongo communities. Go to the various Muslims-dominated communities. Neshe wo here wo honom. Share all the developmental projects across wo ho. Nebusa ho say emunie na NDC for betimi edu omo nsesi omo bo akasa omo no omo yeye. All that they do nene say ye kwa akoto aba, ye be voter registration, yakọ Zongo. Yakwa incite you against NPP. Yes, NPP form per masem. Ntimamonto abama NPP. Ni yakwa kosesa Zongo boys, macho men, near Diomu year to trust. That is all that NDC form. Use Muslims, any Zongo people, Ediomo. But say development, pa yemfa yidie. Any Mpuntu Umbra Zongo communities, any Muslim dominated communities, there be NDC for, they would never prioritize that. Omun two down, omun two one among. But every day, yakoto aba Muslims, any Zongo for, eto abama NDC for. Inti da ben, ana mobe suyenyansa, da ben na mobema, majini aye juma, na muma NDC for enyusumu. Da ben she, ni NPP, ayama Muslims. The NPP ayama Zongo communities. But Moon show gratitude da and fankoto abama NPP da. For the first time since 1992, NPP pe any political party are presenting a pure Muslim. So on your presidential candidate, Muslim also be your president Ghana has it. For the first time since 1992. And this year almost supporting Muslims. But you allowed yourself to be deceived by Malek Basantali, small boys here, or Juma. To lie to you, say, Anna Dr. Baumia report, Anna Dr. Baumia no more petition. Omucha san kwasian throw away, Emma Musumuji di Ekotoaba, Emma NDC. Monsha ne atomo. Baby a mosom. E won ya kwa kububu.